All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. This was a case I was actually really intrigued by because when I saw it, I was like, this is an eclectic case. I got to get this just to collect it and have it in my catalog. You can obviously change out the innards of there to get the design there. It looks like it's just going to ultimately be a clear case with the interiors you'll be able to change and put this one in. And if that's the case, that's what it is. But let's pop it open here. Regular price, $45. I don't think a lot of people are going to pay $45 for this. If you do, then hey, good looking. You know what I'm saying? I hope you enjoy your case because it's probably going to be a very cool case. And I got it simply because I wanted to have it in the catalog and collect it basically. So yeah, this is actually pretty fire right here. I knew it would be kind of clean. So it's a tempered glass basically. And you get two different versions. You get this tempered glass and you get this tempered glass. So that is really nice. So let's go ahead and let's put this one in here. Let's put this to the side. And again, you get a clear one if you want to, but I'm definitely rocking with this one right here for now. I think this is super cool. So you'll put it like this. Yeah, like this. And you put your phone in and then it'll stay in there because of your phone. Different design, but I like it, man. And it's a glass back too. So this is fine. I knew this would be cool. And if you don't want to wear this one, you wear the clear one. Yeah, this is nice right here. And it does have a protector over it, but I'm not taking it off, obviously. It's a soft touch matte, but I'm leaving it on because, you know, again, I bought this to kind of, you know, see what it's going to do. And I like it a lot, man. I like this design right here. This is something totally different. And I like this a lot, man. It's eclectic in its own. And the color offset is like an off-white. So basically this is just a frame and then it's a soft touch white matte under there, looks like as well. This is nice. This is nice. It's just the people, I guess they're dancing or whatever they're doing, but this is actually really cool. And it's the artist right there. Keith Haring Foundation is what this is for. It looks like, I don't know if this is the exact artist. Keith Haring Foundation is what this goes to, for, I guess you're supporting the Keith Haring's Foundation or whatever by getting this one. But I actually like it a lot. And I like the white framing around it. So I'm sure a lot of people saw this and kind of looked right over it. But as soon as I saw it, I was like, yeah, this is eclectic and I like it a lot, man. And all the ports and everything line up perfectly. And I'll go ahead and slide this wireless charger on in here. The new charging animation is pretty cool. But yeah, man, this is a very nice case. I got a tempered glass on here from Binks. It was put on perfectly. This case lines up perfectly. It's got a little bit of drop protection too, man, because even though this is a hard plastic case, this is a glass back, it appears. Lay it down flat like this. And you know what I'm saying? You've got a phone that's fully protected. And if you have one of the lighter colors, this case will be even better for you. This is really nice, man. I got this solely on the way it looks, and I didn't know how it was going to be, but I saw that it was interchangeable. And this is what it's all about, man. The Keith Haring Foundation, licensed in New York. So this is cool right here, man. I like this, man. What do you think about this case right here? It's different. It's eclectic. And so when you're holding this and talking on the phone or whatever, someone's going to see this case and then, you know, they'll see that you're supporting the Keith Haring Foundation. Anyway, nice case from Samsung. I really like it. I wanted to go ahead and show you these Samsung cases that I got in with my phone. So I appreciate you guys watching. There's a link in the description to buy the phone. And if you don't want to buy the phone, you just want to buy this case, use that same link, navigate to the case, hook yourself up. All right. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.